Top 6 Best Portable Blenders. However, when it's time to choose the right portable blender, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best portable blenders on the market today, so if you're interested in what portable blenders will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall Ninja Fit Personal Blender. Powered by a 700-watt motor, the Ninja Fit Personal Blender has about twice the horsepower of your standard personal blender. Ideal for frozen blending, this single-serving size 16-ounce blender can crush ice and make foods like frozen desserts or smoothies. Alongside the motor base, the set includes 2 cups and spout lids so you can make a smoothie before you leave the house and bring it when heading out for the day. Once you're done with your frozen drink, throw all the dishwasher-safe pieces into the top rack and they will be ready for the next day. Capacity, 16 ounces. Wattage, 700 watts. Power source, electric. Number 2. Runner-up. NutriBullet Pro. Boasting a 900-watt motor, the NutriBullet Pro is one powerful blender. It's also slightly larger than most personal models, as it can blend up to 32 ounces of soup or smoothie at once. So if you're in the market for a mighty model that's up to any blending task, you can't beat this machine. Alongside the motor base and blades, the NutriBullet comes with 2 cups, 2 to-go lids, 2 lip rings with handles and a recipe book. To clean the machine, give the blades a thorough rinse in the sink and place the cups in the dishwasher. And the best part? This blender comes in a suite of colors like coral, rose gold and green. Capacity, 32 ounces. Wattage, 900 watts. Power source, electric. Number 3. Best Budget. Pop Baby's Portable Blender. Considering its low price, the Pop Baby's portable blender is surprisingly effective at blending. Along with it, you get an ice tray for making mini ice cubes. When we used these cubes in frozen fruit cut into small pieces, it created a thick, frosty smoothie and cocktail. It also pulverized the almonds in our protein shake into smithereens. After blending, the jar comes off the base so you don't feel like you're sipping from a blender, although the blade remains in the bottom of the jar. On top of the lid, there's a handle that's easy to grasp. Our testing found it can run without being recharged for about 10 minutes, which should be enough to blend at least 10 smoothies. The mouth of the jar is narrow, making it pleasant to drink from but difficult to fill. A funnel is included to help you add ingredients like protein powder. There are very clearly marked measurements on the jar in both milliliters and ounces. All of the pieces, except for the base, can be safely placed in the dishwasher. Pop Babies comes in a variety of colors. Number 4. Blender X Cordless Portable Blender. Blender X is the Cadillac of portable blenders. It's by far the most expensive as well as the largest and heaviest. As it also has the biggest capacity, you can definitely make slushies or frozen mojitos to share. While it's powerful enough to crush ice and blend nuts, on some tests we found a few small pieces left unprocessed. We found it tricky to screw the blending blade onto the jar and to position the jar on the base. The jar has to be placed in an exact position and then turned, and it often took multiple tries to get it right. To operate the Blender X, you press the button for as long as you want to keep blending. While it takes less than a minute to mix a drink, it can be a tad tedious to keep your finger on the switch the entire time. It does give you a lot of control if you want a pulse when you're making something like pesto that you don't want to have a totally smooth texture. In our lab tests, this was the noisiest model we tested. After blending, you remove the lid with the blade and replace it with a drinking lid for a pleasant sipping experience. A dome-shaped lid is included to cover the blade when the unit isn't running and protect yourself from accidental nicks. Only the travel and blade lids can be placed in the dishwasher, which is minimally convenient. Number 5. Otpair Fresh Juice Personal Size Blender. If a small size is one of your top priorities, the Fresh Juice Personal Blender is worth your consideration. In our tests, it was able to tackle nuts, frozen fruits, and ice, creating thick smooth textured drinks without any bits left behind. However, because the mouth of the jar is narrow, we had to cut fruit into small pieces and crush ice cubes to get them into the jar. When your smoothie is blended, you can drink from the blender or pour your drink into a glass. We found the design of the fresh juice with its loop handle attractive, but were disappointed in its ease of use. The narrow opening of the jar, while easy to drink from, made it difficult to fill, especially with protein powder and leafy greens. The jar also has no measurements. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender. This personal blender from Hamilton Beach is powerful, easy to use, and under $25. Featuring a 14-ounce capacity, this model takes up little countertop real estate while the slender cups fit in most car cup holders. To use the blender, simply toss in your favorite fruits, vegetables and ice and let the stainless steel blades get to work. When you're all finished, the blender cup, lid and blades can go into the dishwasher and the cord wraps around the base for easy storage. Pick from 5 colors including black, blue and raspberry red. Capacity, 14 ounces. Wattage, 175 watts. Power source, electric. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.